Hello friends, today in this video we are going to show you how water distillation plant works. Okay, so at first we have to know what is distillation. Distillation is a purification process, water purification process by which we can purify the water from some solid particles. Okay, so here this one is the double distillation unit, where that means double distillation means at first here in the first chamber the first time distillation will be done, and then in the second boiler the second time distillation will be done, and after that we will get the double distilled water, two times distilled water. So there we can get the more purified water. Okay, so now this one is the double distillation unit and this one is the RO system. So RO system will also remove some solid particles and give the RO water, and so the TDS or total dissolved solid of the tap water will be less. So at first through the tap water will come to this RO system, and through this RO system the water will be purified and TDS will be reduced, and then the RO water will come to the first boiler of the distillation unit, and then water will be heated in this or boiled in this first chamber, and then the production of the first boiler, that means the vapor will come through this channel and condense here, and the production of the first boiler, that means the vapor which are produced in the first boiler come to the second boiler and condensed here and collected into the second boiler. Okay, and in next the second boiler will again heat the water, and then the vapor will again condense here and collected into this portion, and then we will ultimately get the final double distilled water, two times distilled water into our bucket through this way. Okay, so now let's see the whole process how it works. So now at first we have to start the tap water, and that tap water will come to the RO system. So this blue pipe, through this blue pipe the tap water will come to the RO system, and RO system will reduce the TDS or total dissolved solid of the tap water, and that RO water will come to the first boiler. So now we have started the tap water, come to this RO system. Okay, and then in next we have to start another pipe, and this one is through this pipe the tap water come to the condenser to cool the condenser. Okay, so through this white pipe, so we have opened it, and the tap water will come to the condenser here in this way. So here we can see that two pipes are there. So through this one pipe the water is coming into the condenser, and then this water cooled the condenser, and after that water will go through this way into our basin. Okay, so in this way the condenser will be cooled. So now we have to start the RO system. At first we have to start the RO system. So the tap water will be purified by the RO system, and the RO water is coming into this way into the first boiler. So now we have to start the first boiler or first heater. So this one is the switch of first boiler, and this one is the auto cut. So this helps if the water in the first boiler, here in the first boiler go down to this heater. Suppose if the water come under this boiling system, then the auto cut will automatically cut the power of heater so that the distillation cannot be harmed, okay, or the distillation unit cannot be damaged. Okay, so this is the advantage of auto cut. So now we have started the fast boiler. So fast boiler will heat the water, RO water, and the vapor will come through this channel into the condenser. The vapor cannot be contact here into the boiler, second boiler, so it directly go through this channel into the condenser and condense there, and vapor will condense there and collect it into the second boiling chamber. Okay, so the vapor of fast boiler come to this condenser, condensed here, and then collected into the second boiling chamber. Okay, and then when we start the second boiler will heat the water collected here, and then here also the second boiler, and here also the second boiler heat the water, and then it will again condense and collected into our bucket through this way. So the double distilled water we will get through this way. Okay, so let's see. In this way it will collected the second or 2 times double distilled water we will get into our bucket, collection bucket. Okay, so now we can see the sufficient amount are collected into our second boiler, so we have to start it the second boiler. So now we will see the second boiler will heat the water and it will second time distill the water. So vapor will come again into the condenser from the second boiler in this time, and here in the condenser the water, the second time distillation will be done, and the water will be collected through this part into our collection channel, into our connection bucket, water collection bucket. So here you can see the water is coming into this way into our bucket. Okay, so this is the whole process of water distillation. Okay, thank you for watching this video.